Hey y'all, just giving an update on the GreenStalk tower. You can see they are doing awesome. I even have blossoms coming out on my tomatoes. My onions are going crazy. Parsley is loving it. And I even have up here, I have potatoes. This one here I'm just letting go to seed. Oh, we did finish the top to our, we took a tabletop to an outdoor, small outdoor table that actually fit the reservoir perfect. My husband put in a small door here that we can lift up and have access. We did have to put, we use these are lids to, canning lids. We used these and stacked them. We had to raise one side of it up just slightly because we was having an issue with the tube here wanting to drain. So we had to raise one side of it up just slightly to make sure it drained. Oh, these right here are from this where I placed a slice of tomato in there, and I've got tomato plants coming up galore that I transplanted a lot of them, okay, already right here. I have decided I am going to put 2 more of these poles. So we're going to hang 2 more lights because I am finding sections of this that just is not, I don't think that it's not quite enough. So, but yes, they're doing awesome. I do have to spray the perlite every once in a while with some hydrogen peroxide due to some algae want to show up. It's keeping it at bay. So, but yeah, it's really doing great, guys. If you guys are wanting a pretty much an inexpensive way to have a hydroponic tower and have loads of places to plant, to me, I don't think you can beat this. This is the way to go. We have all the lights are on a timer now, so they turn on early in the morning and turn off around 11 p.m. at night. Of course, the pump, it's still on a timer. I did change the timer where we're no longer doing it 4 times a day. I've changed it where we're doing it every 3 hours, and it turns on, runs for a minute, just enough to fill that top reservoir up there, shuts itself down. So it comes on at 1 p.m., 4 p.m., etc. And it's really worked out perfect. But yeah, they're doing great. So over here, I've got my, you can see back there, big old blossom coming in. I don't know if I can get to it. You can see it, big old blossom right there. A couple more coming in. They're all males right now that I'm seeing so far, so I'm kind of waiting for the, see if I can get some females popping up, and then I'll get a paintbrush and pollinate them. And I'll see if I can do a video when I get ready to do that. That's some more Swiss chard, some lettuce up here. Transplanted one of those tomatoes from the other section over there into this coffee pot thing right there. It's tiny. Anyways, yeah, it's doing great, guys. I wanted to give you an update. I couldn't be happier with it. I definitely recommend this GreenStalk. I believe it's called GreenStalkGarden.com. Very reasonable with the prices, and I consider it very good quality. One of the best things I think I've purchased in a long while. And again, the lights are Duramax, I believe they're called, on these over here. We're getting, like I said, 2 more of those. I'm gonna hang them, and they're holding up quite well. They were $37, $38, something like that, for the dual ones. T5s. But yeah, it's really doing well. I love the fact that, I mean, I thought this right here is from the, we actually left for 4 days and they were not that big. We left for 4 days and I come back and they were right inside, right up against the light. So anyways, I'll get back with you guys. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye, y'all.